Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your name on TikTok and also username. Before that, if you will find this video useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now let's go straight to the TikTok. Now, once you are here, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner and you will be redirected to this page. And now we want to change the name of this account. So what you want to do is click on edit profile. And there you can see name and username. So you're gonna click on name. As you can see, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. So let's go ahead and change that and save it just like so. Now you can only change it after 7 days. The username can be changed too. Pretty simple and easy. For example, you can change your username once every 30 days. Make sure you know that. And that's basically it. Now you refresh it and your username and name are changed on TikTok. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.